Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a beautiful project design here. Use a CATIA software. And guys, this beautiful project design here use a CATIA software very important, and all process learn here step by step, and how to easily drawing this beautiful project and more than beautiful project always drawing here. And guys, today discuss here all process of this beautiful project step by step, and let's start here. Okay, this is a multi-section view. All is this project is all view is drawing here. You can see here easily on the screen, and isometric view is this body. Okay, and back side of this body is okay, and okay, this is a isometric view is drawing here and fit all in. Okay, zoom out this body, and this body is a beautiful project, and you can see here very nice. Okay, learn here a step by step process easily and clearly. Okay guys, okay, and at first click mechanical design and go to generative sheet metal design, and okay, and at first select any plane. Select here XY plane. We select XY plane, and this is a position sketch. Click here and swap and reverse vertical, and okay, and click a circle. Circle is a this. Okay, and mention dimension. This diameter is a 190 is bed 90 is correct, and this is a exit. Okay, and at first this sheet metal parameters button, click here, because sheet metal parameters is click this button, then other command is activated. Okay, because this you can see here on the screen easily all 3D commands not activated, and at first click this button, then all command is activated. Okay, and this is a sheet metal parameters is pop up, and all dialogs box is pop up, and this is a thickness is 1 millimeter, and this value is changeable, and default bend radius is 4 millimeter. Okay, and then this is a change. Okay, and then all command is activated, and click a wall is a this. Okay, and this is a invert material side. Okay, and this thickness is this sheet thickness is a 1 millimeter. Okay, and this is a this all plane is hide, because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a shaded. Okay, use a shading with edge. Okay, all is looking here. Okay, this is a perfect, and then okay, and then at first this face is select here and go to position sketch, a swap and reverse vertical direction, and then okay, and this is a hide, and right click, and this is a show. Okay, this line is a showing here, and use a offset command, and anywhere click here and this is a this. Okay, or change the value is minus. Okay, -8 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit. Okay, and use this is a surface stamp command is use, and okay, angle is a 80 degree. Okay, and this is a 6 is correct, and click this line, and preview is showing here. This is a preview is showing here, and 6 and this is a 3.2 and this is a 3.1. okay, and then surface stamp definition is dialog box is pop up, and angle is 80 degree and height is 6 millimeter, and first radius is 3.2 millimeter and second radius is 3.1 millimeter, and preview is showing here. This is a perfect. This body is click here, and all is perfect. And again select this face and click a position sketch positioning or sweep and reverse vertical, and click OK, and again select a offset command and use a this right click and show. Okay, and click anywhere. This is a this. Okay, and okay, this is a value is change here, -5 is better. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit, and again select this surface stamp, and this is a very important because angle is 80 degree. Okay, this is a 50 is correct. Okay, this line is selected. Okay, this is a perfect, and again this is a 10 is better, and this is a 30 is okay. This is preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, but this change value is change here. This is a 60 is correct, and 10 is better, and this is a 40 is correct. Preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and okay, this is a, and this line is hide, and also this line is also hide because this body is looking perfect, and select this shading with edge without smooth edge. Okay, okay, this edge is select here, and some use a boundary and use a command is teardrop. Okay, teardrop, this is a length is 2 millimeter and also radius is 2 millimeter, and this boundary is a select here. Okay, and first is click here. This is a correct boundaries. Okay, this is a correct. Isometric view is drawing here, and zoom out. Okay, and select a material. Okay, this is a apply a material. Material is metal is a steel. This, and okay, and click a right click, and property, and reflectivity is very high, and click a rod. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is looking perfect. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and this isometric view is drawing here. Okay, and this is a multi-section view is apply here. This is a perfect, and okay, zoom out. This is also zoom out. Okay, and this is a back side is this, and this is also this. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is also perfect, and this is a also perfect, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect, so nice. Okay, this is a looking perfect body here, and also okay. Okay guys, okay, all process is discussed here easily. Okay, all is discussed here easily, and next project lecture is coming soon, And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.